One of the great things about coming to Buyavette.net and actually seeing our cars in the showroom and on our outside lot is the remarkable color combinations, the styles. It's just like coming to a Corvette museum to come here to Atlanta, Georgia, to our Buyavette showrooms. But this is a beautiful 2013 Chevrolet Corvette 427 3LT convertible. The color combination on this car is absolutely gorgeous. This is crystal red on the exterior. It has that cashmere interior, and it has the really great looking cashmere convertible top. Under the hood, 505 horsepower LS7 engine with 6-speed manual transmission. What a great car this is going to be to drive. Factory features include the $6,000 3LT Preferred Equipment Group. We always tell you this one includes the power top, heads-up display, memory package, tilt and telly, heated sports seats, universal garage door transmitter, Bluetooth package, Bose CD-XM MP3 stereo with navigation and the steering wheel controls. This car also has the center console mounted USB and auxiliary inputs. Crystal red tint coat upcharge, chrome ZR1 wheels, gray brake calipers, Grand Sport suspension, Z06 style front and rear bumpers, fenders, and quarter panels. It has a carbon fiber hood and F55 magnetic selective ride control. This car has the 427 hood badging, the ZR1 rear spoiler, dry sump oil system, rear differential cooler, dual mode exhaust, side airbags, OnStar, dual power seats, HID headlights. Everything on this car is power as well. This car comes loaded with options. It has a clean Carfax, and best of all, this 427 convertible shows just 28,000 miles. Practically a new car, and best of all, it's also in nice condition. So give us a call about this car. There are a lot of options on this car. Be sure to take a look at the beautiful pictures we have on our website at Buyavette.net. And then, give one of our sales representatives a call at 770-414-5552. We specialize in making online purchase of Corvettes something you can do with ease and with confidence. We ship nationwide every month, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel as well. Hit that notification button. You'll always see every new Corvette that comes to our showroom floor. We hope to hear from you really soon. We love our Corvettes, and we want you to become a part of the Corvette family. Buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia. We hope to hear from you soon.